Right. Hi everyone. I took a bit more of a serious approach to this question. So I'm here to tell you that scientific theory can never be considered undeniably true. Now, this is because deeming something to be undeniably true would of course go against the tenets of the scientific method, and because, oh, this is your card? And because our knowledge of the universe is limited by our perspective. So one very fundamental property of this scientific thinking is refutability. And this is a major difference between science and religion, or spirituality. Science demands that its theories be refutable and testable by principle. Now what this means is that there must be a set of circumstances which, if they're observed, would logically disprove any theory. Now scientific theories should also be testable at some given point in time, either through empirical or non-experiments. And from this, we can, of course, know that scientific knowledge and scientific truth can never be considered absolutely undeniable. And this is because we can only show that something is true in this world through our perspective under specific circumstances. So let's say that we assume that we can make computer simulations that are almost omniscient or almost omnipotent. They're still going to be limited to a certain specific point of view. Now, even the language of mathematics, which is of course an amazing tool, was created by humans, and as Einstein said, it's because it's an invention of the human mind and was used to understand certain sensory experiences, we can't really deem it to be absolutely true. Now, there have been quite a few times when scientific theories have been refuted and revised and replaced, and one example would be during the turn of the 20th century, most scientists thought that we had physics almost all figured out. And of course, this wasn't true, because the 1900s brought forth the field of quantum mechanics. And just to summarize, most modern philosophers and scientists believe that an absolute truth doesn't exist. And the best science can do is an optimal truth. And so I agree with David in the sense that science is a great tool to be able to understand our universe. And if we assume that something can be absolute or undeniable, then we're going to compromise science and compromise the rigor and accuracy of science. So science can never be considered undeniably true. Thank you.